research team took samples near the coal ash ponds and found concentrations of toxic metals were on par with a massive spill in Tennessee 17 years ago. Mobile Baykeeper is highlighting a study recently published in the journal Science suggesting dangerous concentrations of arsenic and cadmium near Plant Barry in northern Mobile County. Natasha Damova, a University of Alabama hydrology professor who participated in the study, says the team took samples from the water and sediment around the coal ash ponds where the material is stored and the discharge channel known as Sisters Creek. Professor Damova says researchers found the highest levels of arsenic near the discharge channel during the dry season. She says she was surprised to find that those levels were comparable to those recorded after a 2008 coal ash spill in Kingston, Tennessee.
I did not expect anything interesting, to be honest. I have been working in Mobile Bay for 10 years on completely different subjects. So this is the first study I do on metals, and we find that these are very high levels. Yes, definitely surprising.
I asked Mobile County's health officer, Dr. Kevin Michaels, to assess the potential threat to the general public. He notes that the study doesn't offer conclusions on human health risks and says it would be completely speculative. He adds it is great that the scientists are further defining at the upstream effects. Professor Damova says the results of the study are preliminary and that follow-up study is needed.
As it goes, some of it drops down, some of it is exported. So everybody should be concerned about that. As we know, arsenic bioaccumulates, so probably we should pay attention on that.
I also reached out to Alabama Power, which operates the power plant. A spokeswoman says the company doesn't comment on pending litigation. That's a reference to a 2022 lawsuit filed by Baykeeper and the Southern Environmental Law Center challenging the company's plan for covering coal ash waste. A federal judge in Mobile dismissed that suit. The 11th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals heard oral arguments last month. Reporting in the studio, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.